Recently, I've been seeing all these AI videos, AI cartoon, AI animations trending online. And you know what? These are making people that are creating all these videos are making massive money from this. And these things are really like trending, guys. And you are missing out. Jamaka, have you been seeing all these videos? Nkechi, are you seeing all these AI videos that are really trending online? And people that are creating it are making money from it. And you are not part of it. What are you waiting for? Jamaka, tell me. Nkechi, hello. Chikodi, tell me, what are you waiting for? Why are you not making money from this? Let me show you how you can create all these videos and make money from it right now. Just with your smartphone. These are not done anywhere. You're not going for shooting. Just with your smartphone. You use AI to create all these AI animation videos.
Do for me is you go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, you go to the search bar and then search for this app. Search for this app, Gemini. Okay, this is it. The first one that pops up. Click on it and then you install it. As you can see, mine, I've already installed it. So I will just go ahead to where the app is. Don't forget, this is an AI app, alright? I will just go ahead to where the app is, alright? So I will click and open the app. Once I click and open the app, okay, so now you can see new edition image, whatever. This app can help you do many things that you cannot even imagine yourself. Alright, my battery I have 3%. So let me just rush up. You click on this plus icon. Okay, you click on this icon here beside this plus. Click on this. Click on this. When you click on it, it will brings you up to this. You see create video with VO. Create videos with VO. Click on the create videos with VO. When you click that, you go ahead. If you have an image that you want to use and create the video, you can click on this plus icon. Then go to gallery. Then you import your image. Import your image. All right. So let me import this image. Which one should I use now? Okay, let me use the trending image. Okay, no, let me use this. I will import this. Okay. Then I will write make the man okay standing shout I give a space. I am not a fool, Mr. Minister. Okay, I am only doing my job by obeying my commander. All right, so you go ahead and indicate something like okay, let me put it here. Shout let me put in brackets in Nigerian vibes. All right, let me add a. I don't know how I'm going to speak this English so that AI can understand. Make the man standing on this image to shout in a Nigerian vibes. I am not a fool, Mr. Minister. I am only doing my job by obeying my commander. Okay, so if you have any other scene you want to add, you can, or any other thing you can add to it. If you don't have, you had, well, the cloud. How do you spell even this? That's a problem. I don't know how to spell it. Be shouting and cheering the man. I believe the AI will. This cloud. This should be for sky. AI will correct that. All right. So cloud. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so you click on this arrow to start generating. Now when you click on it, AI will start generating your problem. Oh, this is a connection problem. Connection was interrupted. Please try again. I'll hit on it to try again. Just a second. So it will load up. It will analyze. After the analysis, I am generating a video based on your image. It will feature the man shouting a specific phrase in Nigerian vibes with a cheering crowd. All right. So this is what let's wait and see what it will generate. Okay. It has generated the first one we asked. The first one that was when I lose intense. So we had the prompt already. I will just hit on generate. Okay, so while that one is generating, let's check the first one we had. Yeah.
I am only doing my job by obeying my commander. I am not a fool, Mr. Minister. I am only doing my job by obeying my commander. I am not a fool, Mr. Minister. I am only doing my